Whiz Communications is a Singapore telecommunications service provider offering broadband internet access, local and long-distance digital IP telephony, prepaid and postpaid calling plans. On 22nd April 2023, the PDPC was alerted by the Singapore Police Force of a personal data breach incident involving the organization, which the organization confirmed on 24th April 2023. This affected nearly 25,000 personal data of individuals. The organization's customer management system, CMS, was designed and developed in 2016 by an external vendor. This external vendor did not process personal data on behalf of the organization and was not the organization's data intermediary. The CMS, from its initial design, accepted any Python script requests that could be exploited for unauthorized exfiltration of customer personal data. This failure to block or manage scripts posed a data security risk and was a design flaw. Post-incident, the organization established through tracing web services and database logs that Python scripts had indeed been used by the threat actor to extract .jpg files from the CMS. Nearly 30,000 attempts from 8 overseas IP addresses were made over 5 days, with 24,323 successful extractions of personal data belonging to the same number of individuals. The types of personal data exfiltrated were the front and back images of identification documents such as NRIC, passport, student pass, and dependent pass, and other supporting documents such as tenancy agreements and letters of approval for work permits issued by the Ministry of Manpower, Singapore. For breaching the protection obligation of the PDPA, Whiz Communications was made to pay a financial penalty of $9,000. So, what are the takeaways? Second, the type of personal data that the organization uses and collects determines the level of protection required to safeguard it. As a telecommunications provider handling personal data, enhanced access controls are necessary as the standard precaution. Second, the type of personal data that the organization uses and collects determines the level of protection required to safeguard it. As a telecommunications provider handling personal data, enhanced access controls are necessary as the standard precaution. Lastly, appointing a data protection officer, DPO, is a mandatory role in every organization. The DPO plays a critical role in ensuring PDPA compliance and advising stakeholders on essential obligations, including the protection of personal data. It's important to note that DPOs can be either in-house or outsourced to professional PDPA service providers, such as Privacy Ninja.